Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. So today we will talk about on some plant species such as Phyllanthus rotundifolius. Phyllanthus rotundifolius is a herb species and it belongs to the family Phyllanthus. So let's talk about some Phyllanthus genus. Phyllanthus genus has about 700 species distributed throughout tropical and warm temperate region of both hemispheres. And in India, it is reported 40 species. As per 2002, in some paper or in some journal, I get to know that from 2002 there are only 40 species of Phyllanthus family. So as per now it is distributed in more concerned way. So this is the one I can say. So let's move forward. Then comes to their habit and habitat. So as you can see in this picture, this is the picture that I have taken, original picture it is. As you can see from this, the place where this plant is exists, like it is found in open sandy areas. As you can see, the sandy portion is there. So and it is a prostrate, like mean it is not a herb, like it is a prostrate herb. So as you can see in this picture, and it is an annual herb, and stem and branches usually angular, and the flowering branches spreading to 8 cm long. As you can see, not clearly in this picture the flower portion, but you can see the stem part and the protruding part in it. So here you can clearly see how much centimeter and how much the stem and the leaf part is there. So mainly it is distributed throughout India in like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, etc. and in Odisha also. Then in Sri Lanka and Arabia and tropical Africa. So in this place particularly it is distributed. So then comes to our their part. So it is a small herb with prostrate and ascending branches, as you can see clearly in this picture. So then the rootstock, or you can say the length of it is 20 to 45 cm long. Then lateral branchless numerous. So as per you can see the lateral portion of these branchlets, they have a numerous in number. Then comes to our leaf portion. So here you can see the leaves. It mainly up to 4 to 9 or 3 to 8 mm, and it is orbicular or broadly ovate, rounded at base, obtuse or acute at apex, coriaceous, glabrous on both surfaces. Petiole is short, then glabrous, and the stipules to 1.5 cm long, subulate and lanceolate. So these are their characteristics of the leaf of Phyllanthus rotundifolius. And you can see the mainly the thing is that it is spinely arranged leaves is present. So that's how you can distinguish this Phyllanthus species from other Phyllanthus species. So as you can see the fruit part, so mainly the fruit part is not been very much described in a very specific manner, so I can't even tell, but only I can see it as a capsule is pale, and the fruit part has a very distinctive characters. So it has longitudinal lines on the back, So this is the one thing that it differentiates from other species of other Phyllanthus species. Then clearly you can see in this picture the fruit has fine curved raised line, and the fruiting period, mean flowering and fruiting period, is mainly up to July to February. So here you can see this is the fruit. So now you can see the flower portion. So flowers is monoecious, 2 to 3 males and 1 female together in leaf axil. As you can clearly see, it is in the leaf axils and shortly pedicellate. So mainly the male flowers up to 2.5 mm across, then often on short bracteate pedicels, then disc of minute green glands or glands larger and papillose. So these are the characteristics of the male flower in Phyllanthus rotundifolius. Then comes the female flowers. Female flowers is 5 mm across, pedicel shorts, under 2.5 mm in fruit. So you can see the female flowers, and the perianth is 6 to 1.8 mm long, ovate, acute at apex, mid-rib broad. Then these are the some of the characteristics of the female flowers that you can distinguish. So these are the all parts that I have gathered from many journals, not you can say many journals, some of the journals, because due to lack of the availability in some of the part of the areas, so it has not many information regarding its medicinal uses or ethnobotanical values. So this is one gap that we can fill up by working on this particular plant, and by uh, finding about its existence, because in many part of the India it is not been available due to some other threats that they have faced. So like habitat destructions and uprooting of this particular plant. So this is the one of the few examples for the diminishing of this particular plant. So sometimes it is also neglected. So it is one of the reasons. So here you can get to know about this Phyllanthus rotundifolius. So we have to work on this particular plant so that in future we get to know about their medicinal values, so that it can be helpful to our kind. And one thing is reported in some paper, like in ecological aspect it is there, that growing on sandy sea coast along with Ipomia caprae, sweet ginkgo, etc. So these are some of the associate species of this particular plant. So thank you for watching. Hope you will like this video and keep subscribing to our channel, and so that you can get to know our upcoming videos coming. So thank you.